Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of companion planting, a strategy that not only boosts your garden's health but also its yield. Let's explore how pairing certain plants can create a thriving garden ecosystem. First up, tomatoes and basil. Truly a match made in heaven. Planting basil alongside tomatoes can help repel pests like aphids and whiteflies. And here's a fun fact, basil might even enhance the flavor of your tomatoes. So, next time you're whipping up a salad or pasta sauce, remember this dynamic duo? Moving underground carrots and onions make great neighbors. Onions repel carrot flies while carrots deter onion flies and thrips. It's a below-the-soil battle and these plants have each other's backs. Now let's talk about the classic combo corn and beans. Beans are natural nitrogen fixers, enriching the soil for nitrogen-loving corn. Meanwhile, the corn stalks provide a perfect trellis for the beans to climb. It's a win-win. Cucumbers and radishes are next. Radishes can act as a trap crop, drawing cucumber beetles away from your cucumbers. This not only protects your cucumbers but can help with overall garden health. For those growing cabbage, pairing it with dill can be beneficial. Dill attracts beneficial insects that prey on pests like cabbage worms. It's like having your own natural pest control agent right in your garden. In the cooler patches of your garden, try planting lettuce with carrots. The lettuce shades the soil, keeping it cool, which is just how carrots like it. This pairing not only manages soil temperature but also maximizes space usage in your garden. Spinach and strawberries also make great companions. Strawberries act as a natural mulch, keeping weeds at bay, while spinach can benefit from the reduced weed competition. Peppers and marigolds, as well as beans and marigolds, have something in common. Marigolds repel nematodes and pests that can damage these plants. Plus, they add a splash of color to your garden. Broccoli and nasturtiums, another fantastic pair. Nasturtiums attract beneficial insects and can serve as a trap crop for aphids, protecting your broccoli. And let's not forget about squash and borage. Borage not only deters pests like squash bugs but also attracts pollinators, which can help increase your squash yield. Lastly, for the rose enthusiasts, pairing roses with garlic can help keep those pesky aphids at bay. When planning your garden, remember to consider each plant's specific needs like sunlight, water, and soil requirements to ensure the best growth beyond just pest control and flavor enhancement. That's it for today. Happy gardening and may your gardens flourish with these companion planting tips. Subscribe for more plants videos.